Distance of closest approach as alpha particle approach towards the nucleus, as the alpha particle is moving towards the nucleus, the electrostatic force of repulsion between nucleus and alpha particle increases, because alpha particle has positive charge and nucleus has also positive charge. ठीक, and the kinetic energy of alpha particle decreases and it start conversion into electrostatic potential energy. जैसे जैसे अल्फा पार्टिकल आएगा इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स ऑफ रिपल्सन बढ़ेगा इन दोनों के बीच में, और अल्फा पार्टिकल की काइनेटिक एनर्जी विल गेट कन्वर्टेड इनटू पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. नाउ एट अ certain distance r naught, at a certain distance r naught from the nucleus, whole kinetic energy of alpha particle gets converted into potential energy and alpha particle cannot move further close to the nucleus. यानी यहाँ पे जैसे ही आया सारी की सारी काइनेटिक एनर्जी पोटेंशियल एनर्जी में कन्वर्ट हो गई. अब अल्फा पार्टिकल जो है वो आगे मूव नहीं कर सकता है. दिस डिस्टेंस आर नॉट इज कॉल्ड एज डिस्टेंस ऑफ क्लोजेस्ट अप्रोच. ठीक है. नाउ at the distance of closest approach, that is at this distance, kinetic energy of alpha particle is equal to the electrostatic potential energy. That is, kinetic energy of alpha particle equal to 1/4 pi epsilon naught ZE into 2E divided by R naught. Right, what I have written, that is K alpha equal to potential electrostatic potential energy. And electrostatic potential energy का क्या फॉर्मूला होता है? 1/4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R. Now what is ZE here? ZE is the charge on the nucleus. What is 2E? 2E is the charge on the alpha particle. ठीक है. From here, the value of R naught will be 1/4 pi epsilon naught 2ZE square by K, और K alpha, और R naught equal to 1/4 pi epsilon naught 2 ZE square divided by 1/m alpha V alpha square, where m is the mass of the alpha particle and v is the initial velocity of alpha particle. What is m? Mass of alpha particle and m alpha, and v alpha is the initial velocity of alpha particle. ठीक है. From this formula, it is clear that the distance of closest approach of alpha particle to the nucleus depends on the kinetic energy of the alpha particle. ठीक है.